Let's have a look at our creation tabs. On the left of our stage you'll see 4 tabs: Project, Components, Library, and Game Logic. The Project tab is where you determine the most basic settings of your project: the project name, the device resolution preset or custom resolutions. For example, if the assets you'll be using were designed for the resolution of an iPad, you would select iPad in the drop-down. And orientation, which can of course be either portrait or landscape. To save any changes, click Apply. Beside the Apply button, you'll also see a cog. This icon opens up the Advanced Settings window, where you can customize your project even more. Here you'll also see a Screens panel. Here you can add, rearrange, and delete screens from your mobile application. Gingee natively supports development for as many screens as you want. Let's move on to the Components tab. Gingee comes with over 40 pre-built components that you are free to use, and it's as easy as dragging and dropping. You simply drag any component from the left-hand side and drop it onto the stage. We will take a more in-depth look at all of the components in an upcoming tutorial. In our library window, we can add external assets to our project. These can be images, sounds, and animations. Let's go ahead and add an asset. Once we've added an asset, we see a preview of it. If it's an animated asset, we can double-click on it to bring up the animation editor, which we'll cover later in a tutorial. Finally, the tab to the right of Library is Game Logic. Game Logic contains several pre-built, fully functional game types that you can simply drag onto the stage and customize using your desired assets and parameters. We'll go over each of these in full depth in a later video. In addition to these pre-made game logics, we also have themed widgets, which operate similar to components, and allow users to drag themed objects, such as an on and off button, for example, or a knob, onto the stage. Let's drag one on now. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Next time we'll cover the Properties tabs.